Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I have someone with me and
hello.
Say your name.
I'm Jake, Haley's brother.
He used to share this channel with me, but he decided to move on and now he has his own channel, which is
Ft.Squiddyplays, and it's a Fortnite streaming channel.
and it will be linked in the description if you want to go check it out.
You have to go check it out.
Alright. So, yeah.
Or you'll get haunted.
Today we will be doing blindfolded slime challenge. Yeah. Jake, you try it. Okay. Right now he's sitting on the hammock, if you would like to know. So he's literally not even over here with me. Dang, this lighting is actually really good right now.
I'm waiting to get to the fun part.
All right, so yeah, we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge, and so yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, so we are going to start in 3, 2, 1, go! Cheers! Stop my fingers.
Time.
Go!
I can't even pick it up.
Hand it to me. I want to make sure I get it in the bowl. Okay. I think this is my hair gel. I'm so afraid to not. I just dropped it. I think this is my foam soap, but I'm not really sure. Okay, this is my color. I know that. I'm just putting 1 drop in. I think I only did 1. Okay. I don't even know how well mixed this
Neither
is.
do I.
I'm kind of nervous. Jake, you're not even talking.
Where's the tie?
I didn't add my scent yet.
Tie, there we go. Okay. I'm adding my set at then. I don't even,
There are 2 things that have the squirt. My foam soap.
and I think it was the foam soap.
Where's the activator?
Right here.
I put 6 pumps. This is really hard, guys. Like, you don't know. Hi everyone. Okay, so we finished cleaning up. We haven't fully finished yet, but we figured we should do the outro right now. So basically, here's my slime. Let me do some ASMR. Jake, my turn. Shh.
My turn now. Here we go.
Get in the camera. Alright guys, now we're gonna do a slime smoothie and mix the two together.
Okay, ready? Set. Go. Ooh.
Go ahead. Oh my god.
You got to do the rainbow one, so I can do this one.
Guys, if you remember that video from my Instagram slime account from such a long time ago, you are a true OG. Literally, Jake got so mad at me. He did not get to mix a rainbow slime and
Yeah, I got all the colors of slime and then mixed them together. And then it like turned into like a brownish. If you want to know if it's like, gonna be like a rainbow. It looked like really cool at the beginning, but then we mixed it in.
in the camera. Let me feel it now. You mixed it. Gee. Alright guys, I'm gonna do some professional ASMR now. Jake's made it super fluffy.
Good. That's good.
So let's
Is that good?
stop playing with it. Ready? And yeah, guys, that's the ASMR for this slime. All right, Jake, get in here for the outro. Thanks, guys, so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see Jake more often in my slime videos or just in my videos in general,
Comment.
comment hashtag Jake
And also go subscribe and like to my videos.
and say hashtag slime perfection.
Yeah.
All right, well, yeah, thanks, guys. Bye.